In this lesson, you will learn how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's get started. So an improper fraction is a fraction that has the higher number at the top. So let's say we have 5/4. See how this top number is higher than the bottom number? That's what makes it improper. And a mixed number is a number that has a whole number and a fraction, and it's a combination of a whole number and a fraction. It's a mixed combination, hence the name mixed number. So how do we change 5/4 over to what we call a mixed number? So one strategy that you can use is called pulling out the whole. So we could subtract the whole for fourths, which is 4/4. Put a 1 here to show you pulled out a whole, and you're left with 5 minus 4 is 1. And 4 minus 4, you never subtract the denominators, you always just bring them over, so 1/4. So then you bring your whole and you combine it with your 1/4, and you get 1 whole and 1/4. So 5/4 is improper, and as a mixed number, it's a whole, which is this, the 1 is your whole, and your 1/4 is your fraction. Another way to do that is to do a picture. So you draw a whole, cut it into 4 parts because your denominator is 4, shade in all your parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, but then you realize you need another whole. So you draw another whole, cut that into 4s, shade that in. So then you see your whole here, and what fraction is this? Well, there's 4 total sections, and there's 1 shaded in. So that's a whole and 1/4. Another way to do it is to divide. So you'd say how many 4s go into 5. So it's 5 divided by 4. So how many 4s go into 5? Once. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract that out. That's 1. So this is your whole number. Your answer up at the top is your whole number, like this. Your remainder is your numerator. And your divisor here is your denominator. So then your answer is a whole from this and 1/4. Like this. So let's try it with a bigger number. Let's say we have 22/5. You can draw the picture. The easiest is just going to be a long division. So how many 5s go into 22? Can 5 go into 2? No. How many times does 5 go into 22? 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract out 20. And then you're left with 2. So that's your numerator. This is your whole number. And this is your denominator. So then that equals 4 and 2/5. So you come up here, 22/5 is the same as 4 and 2/5. So that's how you change from improper to a mixed using pulling out the wholes, a picture, and division.